Physics often feels like, well, a formidable wall standing between you and your dreams. It's a subject that many NEET aspirants approach with a sense of trepidation. The biggest hurdle for NEET aspirants, it looms large, filled with complex concepts and seemingly impossible equations. A subject that triggers anxiety and self-doubt. The mere sight of a physics problem can sometimes send shivers down your spine. But what if this challenge, this perceived obstacle, could become your strength? What if you could transform this source of stress into a source of power? Let's uncover why physics feels so tough. Let's dissect the reasons behind this common struggle and how you can turn fear into confidence. We'll explore strategies to conquer your anxieties and approach physics with a newfound sense of assurance. Physics isn't just about memorizing facts and figures. It's so much more than that. It's not about blindly accepting information. It's about understanding the core principles, the fundamental laws that govern the universe around us, from the smallest subatomic particle to the largest galaxy. Many students struggle with physics, often finding it a daunting and confusing subject. This is because they try to cram formulas and equations into their heads, treating them as isolated pieces of information. They should instead be building intuition, developing a gut feeling for how things work, and understanding the why behind the what. To truly master physics, to become proficient and confident in your understanding, you need to go beyond simple memorization. Visualize concepts in your mind's eye, create mental images of the principles at play, connect ideas, see how different concepts relate to each other, and build a web of knowledge. And develop a logical mental model, a framework for understanding the physical world. It's not rote learning. It's not about mindlessly repeating information. It's learning to think like a physicist, to approach problems with curiosity, critical thinking, and a deep understanding of the underlying principles. NEET doesn't just test if you know formulas. It tests if you can apply them in new, unfamiliar situations. Each question is a puzzle, demanding active problem-solving and real understanding. Success comes from bridging theory and reality, not just memorizing equations. Physics problems in NEET are complex and time-consuming, requiring both speed and accuracy. A single calculation error can cost you dearly, so you need mental stamina and a systematic approach. Train your brain to stay calm and efficient, even under pressure. Physics is deeply interconnected. Every concept builds on the last. Weakness in one topic can undermine your entire preparation, so skipping chapters isn't an option. A strong, sequential approach is essential for a solid foundation. Many struggles with NEET physics start with shaky basics from earlier classes. If your fundamentals are weak, advanced topics become nearly impossible. Acknowledge gaps, revisit the basics, and rebuild your foundation step by step. In the exam, you have about a minute per physics question. Speed and accuracy are everything. Panic leads to mistakes, so practice under timed conditions to build both confidence and efficiency. Mastering this balance is key to cracking NEET physics. The biggest barrier is often fear. Avoiding tough topics only makes them scarier. Break the cycle by facing your fears, starting small, and practicing consistently. Every problem you solve chips away at self-doubt. Practice is the antidote to fear. Begin your journey by solidifying your understanding of the fundamentals. Start with the NCERT basics, meticulously going through each chapter. This will lay a strong foundation for more advanced concepts. Then, once you're comfortable with the basics, build up your knowledge with reference books like H.C. Verma and D.C. Pandey. These books offer a deeper dive into the subject matter and provide a wider range of problems to tackle. Consistent practice is key to success. Make time for daily practice. Dedicate specific time slots to solving problems and reviewing concepts. Consistency is your greatest weapon. It's the steady effort that compounds over time and leads to mastery. Treat practice like a ritual. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth. When you're stuck on a problem or concept, revisit fundamentals. Go back to your NCERT books and review the underlying principles. And don't let fear win. Don't be afraid to ask for help or to admit that you don't understand something. Every small victory, every problem solved, builds confidence and reinforces your understanding. With the right strategy, a well-structured study plan, and unwavering belief in yourself, you can master NEET physics and achieve your dreams of becoming a doctor. Trust yourself, stay focused, and keep going. Your hard work will pay off.